today at Les Amis du Bois, and just next to me is Thierry, who has been working at the shop for the last 5 years. Les Amis du Bois is one of the 2 shops that makes these cups with the traditional methods. Now he's going to explain to us what he's doing.
In questo momento sto facendo parte di rifinitura a mano con gli scalpelli, quindi è stato sgrossato con un pantografo. In questo momento vi faccio vedere per fare le rifiniture. Sto facendo una stella alpina, quindi c'è da fare il gambo, le foglie, i petali e la parte centrale.
Okay, so now he's working with his chisel, and he has already worked with the pantograph to give the shape to the embellishments that he's going to put in this particular cup. And this one represents an alpine star, an Edelweiss, and so he's working also with his chisel to give it the adequate shape, and he's working on the petals, on the stem, and he's going to then go on and finish all the embellishments around the cup. In che legno lo stai facendo?
Questo qui è legno di acero.
The wood he's working on is maple wood.
Faccio vedere. Utilizzo diversi tipi di scalpelli, in questo momento sto utilizzando uno scalpello a V.
So he has different models of chisels. This one has a V shape. E quanto tempo ti prende di fare dall'inizio alla fine una coppa come questa? I just asked him how long it will take for him to start and finish a cup.
Questo modello di coppa poi dipende da una all'altra, all'incirca una trentina di minuti per la rifinitura a mano, indicativamente.
To finish the decorations and embellishments that he's preparing right now, it will take him around half an hour. Bene, grazie Thierry. It was really nice to see you, and thank you for having had us here.
Grazie a voi, è stato un piacere.
Anche per noi. So, I'd thank him, and we are both delighted to have done this together. Bye. Ciao Thierry, grazie.
Ciao.
Questa qui è la coppa dell'amicizia, è la coppa dell'amicizia che questo è il caffè alla Valdostana. È un caffè che si fa con la grappa, caffè, grappa, scorza di limone, zucchero e un po' di GNP. Poi si mette un po' di zucchero sul bordino della coppa con la grappa, si dà fuoco, si spegne col coperchio e poi ciascuno beve nel suo beccuccio, passando in senso orario e mai posare la coppa. È proprio questo il segno della coppa dell'amicizia.
This is the typical friendship cup. This one here is made out of maple wood, and it's in these cups that the people in the valley take coffee all together when they meet for particular gatherings, special reunions, and so forth. So it has several different nozzles, one for each person that's present at the gathering. So the cup goes around the table, and it must never touch the table until the last drop of coffee has been finished. And to prepare your coffee, you actually put your coffee in, as many cups as there are people that are going to drink it, plus local alcohol, which is grappa, and then you put also some lemon rind and some sugar, and then you burn it. You put sugar also around the border, and you drop also alcohol around the border. You make it burn. When it burns, you close the lid, you put it on top, you let it sit for a few moments, and then you drink it around the table. So it's a very friendly and nice tradition.
Mentre questa è la grolla, un tempo un calice, un bicchiere per il vino. Si metteva il vino, si beveva tutti quanti assieme, anche questa era molto conviviale. Questa letta sotto serviva proprio per tenere il calice, per poter bere il vino, ed era un oggetto usato soprattutto nei castelli, nelle case nobili, nelle case molto importanti. Ed è rimasto un oggetto, un simbolo di tradizione dell'artigianato valdostano, nonché è stato regalato per più volte al Papa Giovanni Paolo II, che veniva qua in vacanza da noi. Tutti gli anni gli è stato regalato un oggetto del genere, sia a Giovanni Paolo II che a Benedetto XVI, scusate, nel nostro comune a farsi le vacanze nei mesi estivi. Nonché, quando è mancato Giovanni Paolo II, il nostro parroco aveva avuto una reliquia del Papa, gli abbiamo incastonato nella gola proprio la reliquia di un cappello del Papa nella gola, che è tuttora conservato nella chiesa qua del paese.
This instead is the grolla. So it was used in the valley by the lords and knights of different castles that surround the area to drink wine. This part here is also made because this was the way that one used to hold the vessel when one was drinking from it. Then you would cover it again, and these objects were precious to all the nobles in the Middle Ages. Nowadays, instead, it's a part of the tradition, but they aren't to use any longer. However, Pope Wojtyla spent here several summers, and also Pope Benedict XVI, and on every summer holiday that these two popes spent here, the local authorities would give to them a gift of one of these grollas. And after Pope Wojtyla passed away, this shop made one of these to preserve a relic of one of his hairs that was embedded inside, and now there's a relic in the local church where you can see this cup, and inside it you have the hair of Pope Wojtyla.
Grazie a voi della vostra visita e speriamo di esservi stati utili per la vostra storia dell'artigianato valdostano.
Grazie.
Grazie a voi.
Thank you very much.
Ciao. Okay, this is la coppa dell'amicizia, friendly cup, and it's a typical way to drink a coffee here in Aosta Valley. Okay, and it's simple. Some espresso inside with a lot of alcohol with we intend grappa. So you know grappa is typically from the north of Italy, and we also put in some GNP. Is another liquor made with some herbs we grow here in the mountain, and a little slice of orange. So this is a wooden recipient, okay, and the first time you buy a new one, you have to make wash with just hot coffee and grappa the first time, just for make the wood with the flavor, okay, to remove the elaboration flavor of the wood. And remember, never clean washing in a washing machine or with some product, chemical product. Just wash with water, hot water, and that's okay.
Never in the dishwasher.
Never in the dishwasher. Never use products, chemical
No
products.
soap, no chemicals,
soap, no,
nothing.
no.
Just water,
Exactly.
warm water, quick, and then dry. Okay. The basic recipe is coffee, grappa,
and GNP. Okay. Once you burn the sugar, you can cover. Wait about 20 seconds. To do this, you can start drinking. The best way to do it is to take it with the finger to cover this hole by the side, and you can drink.
Right.
You close the door, and then you can pass to the other people.
To the other person, and
Okay.
we have to drink all around the table. In this case, there's only two of us, but we have to drink all around the table,
Yeah.
and the cup must never touch the table until
It's
until it's empty.
Exactly, yeah.
All right.
This is the tradition, okay?
This is a tradition.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
So this is how you take the friendship cup. In this case, there's just the two of us at the table, so we are passing it from one to the other. If there's more people around the table, you pass it around. The important thing is that your pot should never touch the table again until it's been completely finished. So you pass it around. Everybody has his own nozzle, so nobody drinks from somebody else's nozzle. And once it's finished, you put it down. And the tradition is that you should do this because otherwise the friendship or the relationship might be cut. The fact that you don't put it down until you've finished it speaks about the longevity and the depth of the relationship. So, I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. It changes from the typical Italian cappuccino or espresso, and it's a lovely tradition that I particularly enjoy when I'm here in the Aosta Valley, and also like when today I'm out in the snow, and it's lovely in the cold winter snow and in the cold winter days like today. So, see you next time.